Okay, for example number one, we are going to focus on the surface area and volume of cones. So when we have a cone, it has a circular base and the easiest way to draw a cone is to make like a circle with the top half like a dotted line, and it comes to a point. And so what we need to remember is that the distance from the center of the circle to the edge is still the radius. And there's two things. One is you can have what we call the altitude height, and the other is you can have what we call the slant height. Now the slant height is the distance along the edge of the cone, like the side of the cone. And we use the letter L for slant height. So this is what we call slant height. This is what we call altitude height. And this is what we call the radius. So now for surface area, the surface area of any cone is going to equal the area of the base, which is just pi r squared, plus the area of the cone part, which is pi r L. So for example number one, we're given an image and we're told that the radius is 4 and that the slant height is 6. So to find the surface area of that, and S stands for surface area. I know I say it, but sometimes you guys just don't. So I would get pi times r squared. R is equal to 4, so it'd be 4 squared plus pi times r, which is 4 again, times 6, which is the slant height. So this would be 16 pi plus 24 pi. Remember, that's what we call the exact value. Actually, we should probably add that up. It would be 40 pi. That's also the exact value. Okay? And then if you were to plug that into a calculator, you get 125.66. And I believe in the textbook it was inches squared. So this must have been inches and this must have been inches. And that's your answer, the surface area of a cone.